Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to disable timeline in Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to disable timeline in Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. After opening your Google Maps application guys, on this interface, at the top right corner of the screen you can see a profile icon available for us. Tap on the profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see your timeline option available for us over here just below your profile. Tap on your timeline and this kind of interface will appear. Now in order to disable your timeline in Google Maps, at the top right corner of this section you can see there's a three dotted icon available for us. Tap on the three dotted icon at the top right corner and tap on the location and privacy settings over here, and let's tap on it, and this kind of interface will appear. And if we scroll down a little bit, under the category of location settings you can see there is the timeline is currently on. In order to disable the timeline in Google Maps, tap on timeline is on option over here and choose the account on which you want to disable your timeline. After that, this interface will load, and after this interface has loaded guys, if you scroll down you can see here it says the turn off button for timeline. It says timeline helps you go back in time and remember where you've been by automatically saving your visits and routes to a Google Map on each of your device. Tap, and it currently the timeline is enabled. Now in order to disable it, tap on the turn off button over here and tap on turn off, and again tap on got it, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen on this interface, and tap on got it. And with that being said guys, this is how you'll be able to disable your timeline on Google Maps. And you can see guys, currently it says the timeline is off. And guys, this is how to disable timeline in Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.